Yes, ready for dictation. Start. If the nation does not host any country to share the agreement on its propaganda, as the expense of the field visit was more than its expansion of the policy modules stop. Farmers propose many times to annul the bills because the purpose is not enough to pay the compensation. As to why they started the campaign on road without any financial assistance with road and other instruments, although the root of the agitation was so deep because helpers came ahead by following best route, so the government was liable to root on this bill to implement all over the country stop passes. Government wanted to pray to farmer leaders in this regard, but they feared to become prey of the government where it wants to assault on the slender neck of the farmers. Hence, all the union leaders were trying to provide food article, gas cylinder, and other ingredients stop. Some officers made requests not to tamper with the law and order situation because they were continuously trying to maintain its temper, as they wanted to vet the documents of the property and asked to wait for some time because of the heavy weight on the economic condition. In spite of dry and wet materials provided by plane and other transport sources at the place where all the farmers got received the same, as their advantages were plain to see them stop passes. Some people wanted to quit the agitation because the government was quite to redress the issue, and it was not quite good for all the farmers stop. In other words, people really wanted to skip between the campaign due not to rely on each other because the real thing to prove only for the compensation is the reel that is running by the government. As to whether the other people wanted to be close to the union, as they had been bound to distribute the material in close stop, where some account and section officers were hired to refix the minimum price to accord the sanction for the purpose of improvement stop passes. So the government wanted to show that the turnover of the harvest oblique crop by sowing the hybrid seeds in their lands were more than the production annually, because they show the politics in the policy stop. If they let the agitation to live in a loose condition, the same could not live or avoid the loss, because the bills lose the value by not defending or consisting MSP stop over.